Righto guys, welcome back to another Aussie Action episode, and today is the first episode of a nice little resto that we're doing. We're here with a few mates actually.
Yeah.
But most important, the owner of this car, Ryan. So why don't you give us a little bit of rundown of what you actually got back here and what it cost?
Absolutely, yeah. So right behind us here is a 1980 HJ47 Landcruiser, and it's got the 2H in it, NA of course. I actually picked it up for 3,100 as well as a lot of other parts to go with it. So I actually came to jump into a ground up rebuild with this, bit of a restore, and actually change the colour completely, and yeah, no, it'll be good to see the final product.
Yeah, it'd be good to take it from step one of actual complete strip down and cleaning it out to actually seeing it roll out the garage nice and new and nice and fresh hopefully. The main things of this car that we really have to focus on is there's a fair bit of rust that we got to get out of. We're going to give engine a massive clean, maybe an engine swap, who knows, we'll leave that up to Ryan.
Yeah.
But yeah, main thing is giving it all cleaned out and ready for what's to come ahead of us.
You got the WD handy?
Sure. There's no aerosol on the bump.
Anything.
Alright, let's go. No, you need aerosol, bud.
Alright.
The fluid is just not
Back to go. Right.
Go.
There you go.
Well, that's why the buddy canned pollution. Because there's a lot of smoke.
I'm surprised it actually like runs rather well for what it is.
Sounds alright.
Yeah.
Well, yeah, needs a bit of work done, but...
I mean, there's no cracking and tacking to
Yeah, well...
No knocking, no.
Yeah, when it's running then you're inside. It feels like you're in a little tunnel and in a shaker cup at the same time. So, yeah, definitely a good time.
But we got sticks for real. We looking out for the opposition, we don't do this for mass appeal. Don't make me blast it still. I put in work, no Vladimir. They want me to lose, but I can't. Mama shed like 1,000 tears. I can't do that shit to waste. I pull up in Mercedes. Next year you gon' see me pull up in the race. All I do is ball hard. Mama told me, boy, make sure you tie up your legs. Hey, when I was
probably do it on here might be easier. Like in the in that nut, and then just give it a smack.
Oh, you reckon?
Yeah. Let's see.
Probably on number.
Is there much left in it?
Yeah, because I put it in there.
Oh, maybe.
and I can turn an 8 to a 28. Let me show you. 12, they can kiss my hair. Yeah, see them lights, but you know I got the strap. But right, I push the I do the dash, on my way to the bag, boy, you know I push the gas.
So along with some of the spares, we picked up these seats in that sort of bundle for 500 bucks. These ones are a lot better than the original ones that came out of the FJ. So come and take a look. This one appears to be the bench seat, so you can fit, is it a 3-seater? Okay, that'd be a bit sketchy. So this one is the bench seat that comes out of the passenger side of the car, and it's in pretty good nick. Doesn't seem to be any visual tears. I think just a nice cleanup will do really good to restore this seat. But if we come over onto here, this one's the driver's side seat, and obviously on first inspection you can kind of see there is quite a few rips and stitching coming through. The actual backboard isn't too bad on this, but it's the seat where all the action happens. Seems to be looking a little worse for wear. So on this right side, they've done some duct tape. There's a big sort of rip in through here, but looking a bit closer, that foam doesn't look too damaged, so we should be able to take that off and kind of clean it up and do something through here. But I reckon a little bit of cleaning, and once we patch this up, it's going to look a hell of a lot better and make that inside of the cab 100 times better.
Yeah, I was hustling, I could turn an 8 to a 28. Let me show you 12, they can kiss my arrow. Yeah, see them lights, but you know I got the strap. But right, I pushed it.
This door is actually the original door that came off the car. We're actually going to use the physical door. The metal on this is, it's looking alright compared to some of the other ones, but if you come over here, we're going to take a few parts off this one. So this one came with that that bundle deal of spare parts, and what we're going to use off of this is the door cards, because the original doors didn't actually have any door cards, or they were in bad condition. So we're going to clean up this door card and transfer it over onto that one, along with all the handles. So then we can just keep all of like the original stuff on the car. We don't want to be changing too much. But it's going to look a heck of a lot better once everything's transferred over and cleaned up.
Let it turn it ablaze, yeah. Homie, you don't want to race, nah. Better to stick to your place, yeah. Want it all, I gotta taste, you push on the pedal, now I gotta skate, yeah. All I ever known, put me on this throne, pinnacle, push my buttons and that motherfucker go. What you know, what you own, push it and I zone, sonic booms, fill the room, run it till the tomb, with my goons, smell the fumes, y'all know what it do with the crew, when we coming through, y'all know better move, make it fast, ain't no second chance. Coming for your ass, turn to ash, burning rubber now, better push the gas like.
All the way?
Just a little.
There?
Yep. Yep, go again. Maybe none of that.
Is that what?
Not good, like, never explained shit in there.
Yeah, bro, but like,
Yeah.
we shouldn't need to. We didn't originally.
Probably some of that spray, eh?
Yep.
Pick her over?
Yep.
Hold up. Where the f is all that water coming from?
Alright, you don't
Oh, it's cool. Yeah, go for it.
Thanks for watching another Aussie Action episode. On this episode, basically we just did a strip down, cleaned everything out, did a massive degrease on the engine bay and gurned it all out so it's looking much cleaner. Also the radiator, we put some radiator cleaner through it and got it all cleaned out. We did find something on the engine, spraying a little bit of water out, so we'll have to look at that in the next episode. Did the seats, cleaned them all out, gave the cab all a nice clean, ready to be washed a bit more inside. So If you like this video, make sure to like. If you want to watch one of our videos, click here. And if you want to subscribe, click here. Aussie Action out.
Bang.
I think that's shucks.
Right, that'll do.
Yeah.
We'll just hold it.
Yeah, just